Hello, everyone. Welcome to Improve Your English. I am very happy to see you here today. If you are watching this video, it means you want to learn English. And that is a very good decision. Many people think English is difficult. Many people feel shy to speak English. Some people say, "My English is weak. My pronunciation is bad. I cannot speak fluently." But listen to me carefully. English is not difficult. You do not need talent. You only need practice and patience. This channel is for beginners. We will start from zero level, step by step, slowly, clearly. If you follow every lesson, if you practice every day, I promise you, your English will improve. So relax, smile, and enjoy learning. This is our first class, and every journey starts with the first step. Today, we will learn pronouns. Especially, we will learn when to use he and when to use she. This lesson is very important because we use he and she every day when we speak English. Now listen carefully. A pronoun is a word. We use a pronoun instead of a name. For example, this is Tom. Tom is a student. We do not repeat the name again. We say, "This is Tom. He is a student." Now let's understand he. We use he for a male person. Male means a boy or a man. We use he for father, brother, uncle, husband, boy, man. Examples. This is my father. He is a teacher. Tom is my friend. He is very kind. The boy is playing. He is happy. Remember this rule. He, boy or man. Now let's understand she. We use she for a female person. Female means a girl or a woman. We use she for mother, sister, aunt, wife, girl, woman. Examples. This is my mother. She is a doctor. Lily is my friend. She is very smart. The girl is smiling. She is happy. Remember this rule. She, bod, girl, or woman. Now an important rule. Do not repeat the name again. Wrong sentence. This is Lily. Lily is my sister. Correct sentence. This is Lily. She is my sister. Wrong sentence. This is Tom. Tom is a student. Correct sentence. This is Tom. He is a student. So remember, use the name one time. After that, use he or she. Let's revise. He is for boys and men. She is for girls and women. That's all for today. This was our first English lesson. Practice every day. Do not stop. Do not give up. I thank you for watching. Stay with Improve Your English. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.